Congratulations on your first painting, ladies. Cheers! Woohoo! So let's have a look. Ray, you do craft, but you haven't painted before.
Never. This is my first time.
Awesome. How did you go,
first time.
Janelle?
Loved it.
Fantastic. We've got second painting room about to start. Had you painted before, Susan?
Yeah, a little bit. Yep, do some at home. Yeah,
And was this useful?
very. Yes, learned heaps. Fantastic.
Lauren, you're in my masterclass. Look at that amazing painting. Congratulations. Lauren Boyd, if you need to go buy that off her. Awesome, Leslie. She turned a lilac rose to a red pink rose. Great, Dorothy, with your beautiful tulip, stripy tulip. Christine up the back. Awesome. How did you go, Susan?
Really good. Learnt lots.
Fantastic. Excited for the second painting?
Yes, starting tonight.
Jan,
Loved
awesome.
it. Thank you so much.
Beautiful, Ange. And your husband's a photographer and he's approved of your lights and tones. Awesome. Well done, guys. And we're at the Yandina School of Arts. And it's a wonderful space. Let's go do the second one.